Hi, I'm Julia Payne. These are my girls. We may have met earlier because we did a video on how to make a cake. So now we're going to try making our buttercream. The one that I have found that I like the most is butter, room temperature butter, powdered sugar. The recipe does say to sift the powdered sugar, and it was a whole lot of work. And when we made a second batch, we didn't sift the sugar, and it was just as good. So you see now, instead of paste, or instead of powder, we have this. So we're gonna add our heavy whipping cream now. Put in 1 tablespoon, mix it, and then put a little bit more as needed until you get the right texture. To do the narwhal, how strong you want it will depend on how much vanilla extract you put in. Okay, go ahead and turn it off. Let's see how it looks. Ooh.
It looks creamy. Can we take a finger and get some? Taste test.
I guess we should taste test it. Let's do the food coloring next. So this is the color we're going for. There we go. Okay. When you put the coloring in, guys, make sure you get it down in the frosting, not on the beater. Okay, so I turned out our vanilla cake. As you see, when the cake rises, it rises unevenly. Cake leveler! Just like in nursing, we're going to adjust and adapt, and it's all going to be fine. Okay, more icing in between. How to tell if a cake is done? A couple different things. You'll touch it, make sure it's springy in the middle. Is it pulling away from the edges on the sides? And then you do the toothpick test. Put the toothpick in, and pull it out. You do this in the oven, but it was easier to film it here.
If it's clean,
there's nothing on the toothpick.
drop it.
Now with this layer, one technique that some people do is they flip it over, so you've got the bottom side up. So we do want to get it relatively smooth, as much as we can. So I think we are done with the crumb coat. So I do want to let this set for a few minutes, let it kind of firm up.
Okay.
Then we will come back and we will decorate. So that's making buttercream and getting the cake assembled and leveled.
Wow.
We will come back and decorate. So we will see you soon. We're almost done with our narwhal birthday cake. Bye-bye.